We've replaced everything that the community have lost over the last 20 or 30 years. Llanrhymni is an area which has been deprived. It's lost its community centre, it lost its play centre, it lost its high school. So all we've tried to do is put things back into the community.
Well, we've had solar panels installed, and for us, the women's team, it's been amazing. It's been a lifesaver.
The application for the energy saving grant was really easy. Made simple really by the way Sport Wales operate, and we're really thankful for their support. Energy costs are one of the biggest issues with sports clubs, so to be able to create free energy via the solar panels, store it and then use it when you've got your biggest demand is a big plus.
By having the energy grant, by having the solar panels put in, by having the facilities that offers us, we have been able to get more players in because of what we can offer. Having savings means we can invest in better equipment for the training, better balls, better kit. You know, if you've got a choice between, our parks with nothing there versus something that we're able to offer with the change of rooms and the building and the community, it's definitely brought more players.
I think we've got something like 90 plus volunteers. It's not only getting the kids involved, it's getting the parents involved and the community involved.
Pursue it, definitely worth it. It's worth all the effort that you put into it because the reward that you get at the end of it far outweighs the time and effort you got put into it.